Good morning dear students, welcome back to the class. So let's start the class children. In our previous class we did additions, isn't it? Addition of one digit number, arranging in column or vertical, and also the two digit number, isn't it? So today we will start with vertical and column method of addition only children, but of three numbers. Okay, so before starting I would like to inform you that our unit test will start. So the syllabus which is going to come is children, after PT1 test, whatever chapter is covered that will come. Like now addition is going on, so addition chapter will definitely come. Okay, so let's start. So children, let's start. Take out page number 50 of your book. Now children, as I told you what is the objective of the class, today we will learn how to add three one digit and two digit numbers. So first we will learn how to add three one digit numbers. Okay, so as we already know how to add one digit and two digit number, isn't it? It's like we know that 1 plus 1 gives you what, isn't it? This is what? One digit number. Then you can see this is your two digit number. So today we will go with three one digit number. That means there will be three one digit number. Is it clear? So let's start. Take out page number 51. Let's start with example 8. Sunita bought 2 mangoes, 3 apples and 4 bananas. Is it clear? How many fruits did she buy altogether? Now the word altogether children means addition. The word altogether means addition. So we are going to arrange all the fruits vertically, and there are 3 digits, isn't it? So we'll learn first how to add three one digit number. So these are three one digit numbers. It comes under ones place. So put ones place. Below ones place children, first you will put what is their first fruit? 2 mangoes. So you write 2. Plus, there will be 2 plus sign children. Plus, next fruit is what? 3 apples. So you will write 3. Then the third number is what? The third fruit is 4 bananas. So you will write plus 4. Is it clear? Now you must be thinking how to add this. How to add this children? We will add first two numbers. Now 2 plus 3. When we do 2 plus 3 children, keep the bigger number in your mind. Keep 3 in your mind. Open 2 fingers. After 3 you start counting children. 4, 5. So 3 plus 2 is what children? 5. Is it clear? Now we are going to add 5 plus 4. Now keep this 5 in your mind and open 4 fingers. Have you opened 4 fingers? Now let's start counting after 5. 6, 7, 8, 9. So children, total how many fruits are there? 9 fruits. Sunita bought 9 fruits. This is how we count 3 one digit numbers. Is it clear? First you will count first 2 numbers. You will keep the bigger number in your mind. Then open 2 fingers. Then after 3 you start counting 4, 5. So 2 plus 3 what you get? 5. Then you are going to add 5 plus 4. So you keep the bigger number in your mind, 5 in your mind, and open 4 fingers and count after 5. 6, 7, 8, 9. Is it clear? Okay. Then let's move to next example 9. There are 14 students in a row, and in row 1, row 2 has 15 students, row 3 has 10 students. How many students are there all together? Now children, this is what? This is your 3 two-digit numbers. Addition of 3 two-digit number. Okay? So, in first row, how many students are there? 14. In second row, how many? 15. Then in third row, how many? 10 students. So children, there are two places, ones and tens, right? So you are going to first write ones and tens place. So let's put the value, children. First is 14 students. So 1, 4. Next, 15 students. Comes next line, 1, 5. Then row 3 has how many students? 10 students. You will write in third, that is 1, 0. Is it clear? So you know that how to count two-digit numbers, how to add two-digit numbers, isn't it? So what we are going to do? First we are going to count. We are going to start counting from ones place. We'll start counting from ones place. Now children, 4 plus 5. So keep 5 in your mind. Open 4 fingers. After 5 you start counting. 6, 7, 8, 9. So what do you get? 4 plus 5? 9. Now you are going to add with the third number. That is 9 plus 0. 9 plus 0 is what? 9. Any number, 0 added with any number, the answer sum is the number itself. Okay, after completing ones place, children, we will move to tens place. Now in tens place, how many numbers are there? 3 numbers, isn't it? So first 2 numbers we will count. 1 plus 1, what it is? 2. Then 2 plus 1, third number. So 2 you keep in mind, open 1 finger. So 2, 3. So what is the answer, children? 39. How many students are there altogether? There are 39 students altogether. Is it clear to you all, children? Okay. So let's move to next topic, that is add two one-digit numbers mentally. You know how to add two-digit numbers mentally, isn't it? Keeping bigger number in mind and open the smaller numbers in your fingers. Before that, children, you should know how to add the numbers mentally. First we must know the correct order of numbers. Okay, so let us practice the correct order of numbers. So children, 1 to 20 you have to write the numbers. After 1 what comes? 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Up to 20 you are going to write. So you can do this in your book now. Then B also you can do. 33 to 42 you have to write in order. That is 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38. You will write up to 42. You can write down now. Then come to next C, 26 to 45. So you are going to write in order starting from 26. What comes after 26? 27, 28, 29, 30, 31. This is how you will go and write up to 45. Okay, this also you can do. Next comes 21 to 25. So after 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. It is very easy, isn't it? So you can do this. Now children, we will move to workbook. Open your workbook, children. So children, let's start with next, that is page number 25. Multiple choice question. Fill in the blanks with the missing numbers. So you have to write in correct order. You can see, you know how to do. 12-14-16. What comes between 12 and 14? 13. And what comes between 14 and 16? 15. So you have to choose the correct option. This